The Cuisinart Food Spiralizer is Cuisinart's newest addition to the tools and gadgets line. Enjoy the satisfaction of making homemade veggie noodles with little setup and cleanup. Plus, it is dishwasher safe. Bring everything you love about zoodles and other pasta substitutions to the table with ease. Here is what comes with your product: 4-cup work bowl, cutting assembly, and protective cover. 3-blade cutting assembly for thin and thick julienne or ribbon slices. With the Cuisinart Hand Spiralizer, the blades are never exposed, so hands cannot come in contact with the cutting edges. How to use: insert stainless steel shaft into hole of the protective cover. Screw the handle clockwise onto the stainless steel shaft to tighten. Set the cutting edge surface of the spiralizer on the collection bowl and turn clockwise to lock into place. Place spiralizer on a flat surface. Veggies or fruit should be between 1 and 4 inches in diameter and no more than 3.5 inches in length. The width of your food will determine the size of either your spirals or ribbon cuts. Make sure that the top and bottom ends of the food are cut straight and flat so they can be fastened securely in the spiralizer. The ribbon blade must always be in the open position for both julienne and ribbon cuts. For ribbon slicing, close the julienne blade and open only the ribbon blade by turning the dial to cut. For thin julienne, turn the blade clockwise, leaving the ribbon blade in the open position. For thick julienne, turn the blade counterclockwise, leaving the ribbon blade in the open position. Remember to always leave the ribbon blade open when spiralizing. Stand food up, position vertically on center pin, and secure in place with spiked food holding disc. As you turn the protective cover clockwise, the teeth of the holder will grip the food. Now, lock the cover in place. To spiralize the food, apply slight and even pressure and turn clockwise. Once you are finished, turn blades back to safety lock position. Remove remaining vegetable from the spiked food holding disc and remove any food residue before spiralizing another fruit or vegetable. It is so simple and easy to use. The Cuisinart Food Spiralizer now makes meals fun and healthful.